do I need to collect from a personal injury scene or an accident for my lawyer? Well, here's what you need to do. First of all, take care of yourself. Make sure your injured people are taken care of. But at the scene, you want to make sure you get all the information from the defendant in a car, truck, or motorcycle crash. Take a picture of their driver's license. Take a picture of their insurance card. Take a picture of the property damage, the skid marks, where the vehicles are, what the line of sights are. And then on other types of accidents, if you're a slip and fall, take a picture of the ice on the parking lot. Take a picture of the fact that it's been salted and there's salt at the edge, but it wasn't salted that great in the middle. Make sure you write down and document who your nurses are and the doctors are that are treating you in a hospital. When you're injured on the job, make sure you document that. For all of these types of injuries too, make sure you document who the witnesses are. Take down their name, address, phone number, email address. People change phone numbers all the time, but people have this, and addresses, people have the same email address for decades. Get their documentation. Find out what they say. Write it down. Don't trust that it's going to be in the police report later or in the manager's report later, because sometimes it is not. I can't tell you how many times that has occurred. Make sure you can videotape a confession. I've had some great cases where the person comes up and starts saying, "I'm sorry," and my client says, "Hold on for a second." And they turn on their video camera and videotape them admitting it. And then when they change their story later, we got them. Make sure you document the who, what, when, where, how, why. Write down everything, take pictures, videotape what you can, and then get the insurance information, the claims information. Don't give recorded statements to the other side. There's no reason to. Are they going to give you a recorded statement of their client? No, so don't give a recorded statement. Go get your medical care. And when you go get your medical care, say what happened, how it happened, and how you were injured to the medical providers. Keep saying it. Don't get in a work comp case and your employer says, say it wasn't on the job and put it on your health insurance. You go, you do your employer a solid and you try to help them on their work comp non-reportable injury stuff or their rates or their premiums or whatever they're saying. And then 6 months later, they deny you were injured on the job. Don't go try to take cash for someone in a car crash to not report it, that kind of stuff. I'm not saying anybody would at all, but just don't do that. And don't just report how the accident happened one time to the first urgent care. Report it to the orthopod, the physical therapist, the chiropractor, everybody that you go see. When you take a history, say how and why it happened and express the level of pain you are in and what parts of your body are hurting. And remember that just because you have pain in one part of your body doesn't mean other parts of your body aren't affected. You can have pain and numbness in your hands and it's coming from your neck, in your legs and it's coming from your low back. There's a whole host of things, so just describe everything as accurately as you can. If you have any other questions about what do you do and what information to get for your lawyer in a personal injury case, call us at burgerlaw.com. Thank you.